In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QuickBooks shortcut. This is going to be a quick and efficient way to navigate directly to your most used QuickBooks Online features, saving you time and effort every day. So, settle down and let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're all set up there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see three little dots. This is often referred to as the menu, or sometimes the More menu, depending on the browser you're using. These dots are your gateway to a host of features and functionalities. Go ahead and give them a click. Once you've done that, a menu will appear on your screen. This menu is packed with various options that allow you to manage different aspects of your dashboard. Today, however, we're focusing on just one of these options. Look for something labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Now, the number of items in this menu might vary depending on your setup, so you might need to scroll a bit. But rest assured, it's in there. When you locate the Cast, Save, and Share option, give it a click. Once you've clicked on that, a secondary list of options will pop up. This is where it starts to get interesting. Within this new list, you'll want to find the option that says Create a Shortcut. Go ahead and click on it. This simple action is going to be a real time saver in the long run. By creating this shortcut, you'll have direct access to QuickBooks right from your desktop, skipping the usual route of multiple clicks and logins. Now, once you've clicked Create a Shortcut, you might see a prompt asking where you'd like to place this shortcut. For ultimate convenience, I'd recommend choosing the Home option. This way, your shortcut sits on the home screen or desktop, ready to be accessed each time you boot up your computer. A quick click, and you're right where you need to be in QuickBooks Online. And just like that, you have successfully created a QuickBooks Online shortcut. It's a simple process, but incredibly effective in speeding up your workflow. No more wasting time with repetitive logins or navigating through various pages. Just a single click and you're straight into your accounting tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your QuickBooks experience, be sure to check out our other videos. We're here to help you save time and streamline your business processes. Until next time, happy accounting.